If I open my Instagram now or my email or anything, I would find someone asking where he can get maker knife or why we don't sell the maker knife anymore. It's been sold out for years. The short answer is that we're working on a new version of the maker knife. It's going to be a complete redesign from scratch. I mean, it's going to be recognizable, like the design is going to be the same, but it's going to be all different in the inside. So it's going to take a while. 1 year ago, I said that it would take a year, but it's probably going to take another year or more. So because a lot of people really want it, we have 100 pieces of the batch 1 that we were keeping, you know, for safety and stuff like that. And we finally decided to sell them. So only 100 of the maker knife batch 1. And because this is custom day, we decided to sell it with a custom phrase, a name or something that you can decide while you buy it. It's going to be laser edged with whatever you want. So this is the first thing. The website, probably you're going to find it closed now. There's going to be a countdown so everybody can see the video and then decide if they want to take it. And I mean, there's only 100, so I kind of think they're going to go fast. But this custom day is not just about the maker knife. In fact, the maker knife is just one little thing, because Playstatums is our new company. It's where we sell things. Giaco, you know, the logo, this one, is the design. Like, we design things and we sell them. And we sell them through Playstatums. But then we have the opportunity to have also smaller products and like little things to go with the main products, which is the case. Like, literally is the case, because we made a case for the maker knife, a sheath, a leather sheath that it's made here. And by here, I mean 1 kilometer from here, from an amazing master of leather, Giorgio Bruno Cenere, which is a friend of mine, is really amazing. And we designed this leather sheath. But you know what? Let's see how he makes it. How was it? Like, I can barely contain the excitement. It's really, we've worked on this stuff for like really long time, and then when we finally release it, I get like super excited. Well, anyway, I think it's really awesome. We also made like Playstatum Sharpies, which of course it's like the best marker for me. Like, I really love the Sharpies. Every time I go to the US, I just buy boxes of them. But then, I mean, it looks really nice, but it could kind of look better, I think. So if you really want to go all the way with a maker knife design, we made this thing. How was it? So I really hope, like, we're super excited about this. Of course, they come in like the same maker knife color, so the black, the silver, and the red, so you can go with the same color as your maker knife. In my case, the black one. It's pretty cool. So they're both gonna be pre-orders. Like, all the leather sheets are gonna be made on order. You can put it in your belt like a normal thing, like that, or as I prefer, with this configuration, you can have it like this. So you have it like this in your belt that goes this way, and it's super, well, I have it here, as you can see. So it's super convenient when you get used to have a maker knife and a Sharpie with you. It's just amazing. I love it. You're never gonna look back. You can trust me. Plus, what I love about this is that I always have it with me in this configuration, so when I go around, you don't really see it, so you can cover it with your t-shirt or whatever. It's super nice. So they're gonna be both pre-orders. The MK sheath is gonna be made on order. So you can decide if you want the loop up here or lower down like that. Like, basically, well, imagine this one lower here. And it's custom day. Both the SHARPEDGE and the MK sheath are gonna be customizable. You can put your letters or you'll see it in the website. So Playstatums is the website where we sell our products, but it's also for us an opportunity to make even like smaller projects, things that I would really like to have, but I either can't find them or they're not that great. And one thing, I used to work in an ambulance. Of course, we were using tourniquets, which is like a silicone rubber thing that it's meant to, well, you know what a tourniquet is. But the funny thing is that we were using them for all kind of purposes because they're so convenient. You can just, hold stuff in place, or having a temporary meaning of locking something in place. Or what's even nicer is that they're super anti-slippery. So basically you can put it in your drawers and stuff. Anyway, we were able to make them looking pretty nice, to be honest, because this color is impossible to find. But we were able to make them cheaper than what you can find on Amazon. Because of course, these are not meant to be medical stuff, but they are exactly the same. They come from the same factory. They just don't have the medical stuff in it. So I'm just super excited to know what you guys are gonna use them for. And we already sold a few and people use them for anything, but let's see the video about this. Yeah, super nice. We actually use them even for the camera that you can see right now. It has a hard drive and it's attached with this. And then if you're able to do the knot, I'm gonna make a video about it probably, but there's a specific knot that you can make where you can unlock it super easy. It's just so convenient. I hope you guys are gonna like it. So the last thing is tape. Like, tape comes in all kind of configuration and use different things. What I would like to do, which I had the use for it really a lot of times, but I never really had someone making it, so we made it ourselves. It's the story tape. So this is just paper tape. The thing is that it's amazing, first of all. It's made here in Italy. One of the things that we were really peculiar about is the noise that it makes when you unfold it, which is barely hearable. But tape is tape, and then you can put stupid things here or you can put nothing. I thought it would be nice to use the tape in a way that we thought to print on the tape a pattern, like something that it's actually useful. So, well, let's see the video and see how we use it. So how cool was that? We use it all the time. In fact, when we made this table, in which we have, I don't know how many 100 rivets, it was really, really super annoying to mark all the parts, I mean all the points to put the rivets in. Mostly when it's rounded like that, because you can just measure it, it's really super annoying. If I had this, it would have taken like a quarter of the time. It's just amazing. Plus, you can sign patterns in it and do the same patterns in wood or whatever. It's just really nice. And they're both going to be available right now. They are already in the store and you can get them. So I hope you guys liked this first official product launch of Playstatums. I'm really happy about how this is going because we got the opportunity to make a lot of things like we would like, even just, you know, the design or taking simple things and just try to make them as best as we can. And it's gonna be really nice. But there's one little thing that, because I can imagine the maker knives, the 100 maker knives are gonna be sold in probably a day, I don't know, like really quickly. We also made a super limited edition maker knife key rings. They are super cool. They're made by hand, painted by hand. They're really, really nice. This is another thing. I really wanted a key ring like a little maker knife. So we make them, and we made around 150, 200, I don't even remember, of this. When they'll be gone, they'll be gone. They're kind of a collectible. I just made them for myself, and then someone can buy them as well. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you liked what we're working on. We're so excited to see how you guys will like the new products and stuff. I'll see you in the comments. Thank you and have fun.